Hello, it's me Gary again. In the last video, we talked about different types of LED lighted bathroom mirrors. And today, we are going to talk about how to use this mirror in the right way. First of all, the positioning of LEDs in the mirrors is the main difference between backlit or front-lit lighted mirrors. Light bulbs are installed behind the mirror in backlit mirrors. Lighted mirrors, on the other hand, are built with bulbs either on top or beneath the surface of the glass. You may be wondering if there is even a right way to use bathroom lighted mirrors. Well, the answer is yes. And if you use all the correct methods, your bathroom will be more luxurious and beautiful. So, let's get started! Where are the LED lighted bathroom mirrors used? LED mirrors are very often seen in bedroom and living rooms, as well as in commercial settings such as hair and beauty salons, dressing rooms, hotel rooms, and more. Due to the functional and aesthetic purpose, large lighted mirrors are normally used in the master bedrooms, and the smaller design of lighted mirrors are used the perfect addition to an in-house vanity rooms. When are LED lighted bathroom mirrors used? LED mirrors belong to expensive products, so they may not be ideal for regular bathroom mirrors, especially for customers who are on a tight budget. But if you are looking to brighten or modernize your bathroom space, LED mirrors can elevate in a few levels. This is because LED mirrors offer the benefit that traditional mirrors do not. How are LED lighted bathroom mirrors used? Illuminated bathroom mirrors are often used as makeup mirrors or shaving mirrors because they offer even lighting. In small bathrooms, lighted mirrors can also be used to create a more spacious and airy-looking room with the added bonus of elegance and style. Knowing the technical aspect of a lighted bathroom mirror will not only help you make a wise decision, but will also ensure that you get everything you need. So, before purchasing LED lighted bathroom mirrors for your home, please check out the quality of the mirrors at the showroom, the technical aspect to consider, and the right way to use them. If you are interested in this mirror or want to purchase them for your home, feel free to come to our Big Bath showroom to look for them. In Big Bath, we provide all the LED mirrors in different design, color, shapes, and more. Here comes the end of my sharing today. If you like this video, please help us to like and share it. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. I'm Gary. See you soon. Bye bye.